That's my braid pattern for my sew-in. Now next, I'll be doing my sew-in. So, that's all I'm doing. I'm just sewing my net onto my braids. And then I'll be doing the hair. So, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to sew this on. And then I'm going to come back when I start braiding on the hair. Okay, I put half of this in. Now I still got some more, see? This thing came with a lot of hair. I ain't even know it. Because I still got 2 more whole packs of hair. Yep. Now I'm going to put some I'm finna put this in there. It's thick too. It's real thick. But I'm gonna put this in there. Yep. So I'm gonna go gold, black, gold. I think. I ain't sure. I know I want this to be covered in black. My hair is so small. I ain't know my hair was this small. But anyway. Thumbnail. I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. Ladies, learn how to do your own hair. Save some money. Get a YouTube video. Watch this. This is what I'm looking at. Look. Look, watch this. See, I'm following her. But I already knew how to do my hair. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I already know how to do my hair. But, you know how the old brain try to like. Yeah. if you 60, 50, you know where I'm coming from. The brain be like, try to go to sleep or whatever. Okay, I'll be back. When I get through with the black, I'll be back. Okay, I finished it. Got a side little part right there. Yeah, got a little part. I got a little part, you know, going on. Now, I'm going to put some curls in it. Yep. Put some curls in it, and then I'll be done. Bitch thought I couldn't do it, didn't you? I fooled you. I do this. I could do this in my sleep. Yep. I can do this in my sleep. Well, maybe not in my sleep, but you know. Yep. I finished it. And guess what? I got a whole nother pack of hair. And some more hair left. Some more. I got some more black too. Got some more black left. Yeah. But yeah, I finished it. I'm gonna put some curls in it now. Stay tuned for the curls.